Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to open a business bank account in your Belgium. So you will just go to here at Google and directly search for top banks in Belgium. Okay, so here we can see business banks. So the first bank is your Argenta bank. Then we have our BNP Paribas Fortis. Then we have our Carignan bank, another bank. So I'm going to show you how to open a bank account in this video for Argenta Bank. So we'll just go to their website. Okay, so here is Argenta Bank. So to open a bank account here, we'll click here banks. Okay, so here they have other things also, and you can just open a savings account also if you want. But here we are opening a business account, so we will just click on here at near office nearby. Okay, so then you will just click here. You have to give your location. Okay, so there are their branches and ATMs also. So basically today the offices are closed. Here we can see, so book an appointment. So you can just book an appointment nearest your bank and like doing a here appointment. So we will just tell for the reason that I have to open a bank account, business bank account here. What are detail? So the basic requirements will be you should minimum 18 years old. You should have identity proof, and you should have a business legal identity. Okay, so you will be able to open. So this is how to open a business bank account in your Belgium. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.